Here we go. Let him finish. You know that's going to the police, right? And on YouTube. No, you go back. Go back. No, you go back. You go back. I don't mind, I can wait here. Go back. Go back.
That's why we had to go past. Do you want to carry on recording, please? I've got patients waiting to see us in clinic. That's why we had to come this way to go and see it.
No, you go back. You can't be breaking the law like this.
Okay, okay.
You know I'm going to put this to the police.
That's fine, you do. And I'm going to take a picture of you and I'm going
You're
to
welcome
show
to.
my patients about what we're going to say why we're late. That's
Yeah,
right,
maybe you
sir.
should have left home
That's
earlier.
Right. We're both done. We left. Do you know what time we left? After dropping our water off? At 8:45.
I'm not interested. Just go back.
Oh, that's all right, sir.
Look, here's another
I'm
law
gonna take a
breaker just
photo
like
of
you. You're welcome to.
I'm just going to take a photo of you. Just because when there's tons of patients are waiting to see us.
Yeah. Of course, it's always a sub story for people like you, isn't it?
Well, that's right. Because we're crap. We're not doctors. We don't help people. We just stand in the middle of the road like you help. That's all right. But don't worry.
Go back. Doesn't matter. But you will be dealing with the police.
Sorry, let me just take a photo.
There you go.
Just to say it.
Come and have a selfie. Come next to me and have a
You know what?
selfie.
Because this is on the news, then
Yes.
it'll be alright.
Come next to me and have a selfie.
I'm just gonna phone the police now.
Yeah, carry on. Please do. We'd love them to give you a ticket.
I actually, you know what? I
Please
feel
phone the
like
police.
I feel intimidated and I'm really shaking. So I'm actually gonna phone the police because you
Sure you are.
maybe 999 or 999.
You see that? You're not very well liked, are you?
Super intelligent.
You see? You're well liked, aren't you?
Why, did he ask you to come down here?
So entitled.
Did you ask him to come down here?
No, of course not. I'm Mike, by the way. You don't.
Patients to see in clinic, that's why we overcut. You're wasting our time, for fuck's sake.
You're
Jesus
completely
Christ.
on the wrong side of the road. Why?
Jesus Christ, you know, some
Back
of
you
us
go.
actually do something that's worthwhile for living instead of sitting here.
Like drive a
Why don't you
4x4
reverse
around
off and
London.
Join the traffic.
Mind your own business and cycle around the park.
Okay. Because I've got nothing better to do.
Yeah, I know.
Clearly, you know me. You know me better than I know myself.
You know me.
You really?
You obviously are really understand.
I'm sure all these guys feel really great about how you jumped the queue, huh? For your pure selfish reasons. Yeah, he has to go that way, right? Back you go. You're blocking a whole lot of traffic.
The only people in the world that work. You know the most useful thing anyone ever told me about being late?
I've got someone in the back of the cab.
I'm turning this corner.
Get him to go backwards, there's no problem.
Go around now. He's not going to go backwards. You're cruising point. Let's get on with it.
Why are you on the wrong side of the road? You're on the wrong. You're completely in the wrong.
Just
Stop
go
trying to
back,
pretend
go
you're on
back.
the right.
Back you go. Back you go. Okay. I'm not the one who's breaking the law here. Calm down, dear. Cheers.
Still going green.
Another one, yeah.
Catch him, yeah?
Oh dear, oh dear. What's wrong with these people? Mate, you don't, go and argue with him, it's not me.
You're going from traffic. Remember what you do on the bike, yeah?
What do I do on the bike? Just stop some more coming the wrong way. Yes, go and get a job. You have no idea how you sound like all the entitled people you see on Stop a Douchebag. Well done, mate.